under my chin here. Probably not enough, but let's go there. And I can't cut straight, so that helps. But I can always cut it again. It's a bit hard to glue back on, but let's see how we went. Don't travel Australia with a hairdryer, so we'll just let it dry in the sun and then we'll see what it looks like. Quick update, I just went and brushed it. I put some leave-in hair conditioner through that I use to sort of help define my curls and stop it being all fluffy, and give it a good old scrunch. And it's definitely got some layers and things happening there. So now we'll just let the good old Aussie sun, Mother Nature, dry my hair and we'll see what we end up with. And then by the power of the Australian sun and a couple of hours, my hair is now dry. And I definitely could have taken it more. I definitely could have taken more off the length. So I guess in a couple of weeks, I'll just do it again. But this time I'll just take a little bit more off it. I guess it's